I never knew how women argued, but after 20 years of losing every significant battle in a relationship, I finally figured out how they argued. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm starting to turn this franchise around. This is how they argue, as far as I can tell. All right? If they're right, they argue the point. And they stay on point and make sure you stay on point until you're down on your knees apologizing.
Alright, so I'm sure you might have seen this kind of videos on TikTok, YouTube Short, and also on Instagram. And the funny thing is that these kind of videos are gaining massive views on daily basis. So you can see this particular video has 3 million views, 231k views, 1.9k views, and the rest of them right here. And some channels are specifically built for this kind of videos. So you can see this particular channel right here has posted over 732 videos and he has gained 12.8 million subscribers. And here he's posting only this kind of videos, which is a stickman figure kind of video. So you can see this is the only thing he's posting and he's getting massive views. This is it, millions of views right here. And if I go over to the about section of the channel, you can see this channel was created on June 25th 2021, and currently this is it, over 7 point something billion views. This is massive right here. And you can see based on v.iq analysis, you can see right here this channel is earning from $94k to $282,000 on monthly basis. Guys, this is massive, right? And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this kind of videos from scratch. And the good thing is that you don't need to draw this, okay? You know, normally creating this kind of videos used to be complicated, as you have to draw, but here I will be showing you how to do this just with the help of AI. So to get started, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and stick around till the end of this video. Alright, so to get started, come over to TikTok, okay? Search for stand-up comedy, right? Okay, so you can see I'll be making use of this. So if I click on this particular one right here,
I never knew how women argued, but after 20 years of losing every significant battle.
okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is copying this link. So this is it. I'll copy the link, then head over to, just go to your Chrome and search for TikTok video downloader. This is it. So you click on any of the, okay, so I prefer using this one. You can see this very first one. Okay, now we are downloading this without watermark. Okay, so I'll click on this very first one. Okay, so here I'll paste my link. Guys, make sure you are following the step, and I'll paste my link on the search bar right here. So paste your link, then click on download, and it is loading. So right here you can see they say download without watermark and download mp3. So we are going to be downloading the mp3, right? The only thing I need is the audio, so that is why I'm downloading the mp3, right? So let's wait for this to download, and this is it. I have it on my device, and this takes me to the next step. Make sure you are following these steps. So now we have gotten our mp3 file, which is the audio. The next thing we need to do is to head over to a platform called adobe.com. Now take a look at this. If you don't take time right here, you may land on the paid version of it, which means you will need to subscribe. Okay, so since we are here for the free one, now this is it. Now I search for Adobe Express animation right here. You can see this one, they say free animation maker. Okay, now to save you the stress, I will leave the link in the description of this video, so check it out. Right, so I'll click on it, and this is where I will land. Now you can see right here, click on create now. All right, so the reason why you are seeing this on preset is because I've already used this particular sticker right here. Okay, so if you come over to the animate characters, you can see they have a bunch of characters right here. So all you need to do is to select anyone that suits what you want to use this for. So you can scroll down right here till you get the perfect one for your video right here. Okay, so I am using this particular one, which is named, okay, this is it. It should be CC something of that nature, right? If you scroll down, you see, just look for anyone that is perfect for your need. Okay, now once you click on it, it will appear right here just like that. Okay, so this is it, CC, and that is the first thing. Okay, now make sure you are paying attention to what we are doing right here. Now the next thing is the size. So if I come over to size, right, so you can see this is it. They have your aspect ratio. So if you are creating videos for Instagram, you can see they have different sizes right here. They have the square, story reels, portrait, and landscape. So if you are creating content for Facebook, this is it. Now you can see if you are creating for YouTube, select YouTube, and under YouTube they have the landscape and the shorts. Okay, so I'll just leave it just the way it was, this size, right? And the next thing right here is the background. Okay, now what we are creating right here is a stand-up comedy pattern of this. Okay, right, now what I'm gonna do right here is come over to background. Now you see that, right? So if I go to the background right here, there is no background that actually looks like stage. Okay, so what I need to do is to go over to a platform called Free Pick and search for this cartoon stage with audience. Now I'll scroll down right here. I'll just look for the one that suits what I want to do. Okay, so I'll scroll down. Just look for the one that is perfect for you. So I think I'm okay with this particular background. Okay, so I'll download it, and that is it. So if you observe this background right here, something is actually missing. The stage is actually empty. Okay, so what we are going to be doing right now is adding characters on the stage right here on this empty seat. Now to do that, come over to this platform called aistudio.google.com. This is it. So you enter, then this is the very first thing you will see here. Okay, most of you must have been using this. Now you're going to be using the nano banana, which is currently trending. So I'll click on try nano banana, and here we go, and I'll click on this plus icon right here to upload my picture. So this is it, upload file, and this is my background. So I'll ask this AI to add more character by saying add cartoon character, add cartoon characters on the seats, make them to face the stage. Okay, so I will click on run. So let's wait for the result. Okay. All right. So you may see something like this, right? This is normal thing for AI. So I'll just try something else. I'll be like, they should face the stage. Okay. And this is it. So we got this, right? This is it. From this to this. So we can actually go with this. And if you observe right here, I mean the characters are somehow too much. Okay, so you can go ahead and tweak this till you get the best image of your choice. So I've already generated mine. All right, so the next thing we need to do is to go back to Adobe Express. Right now, this is it. Now click on upload, then select the picture which you just generated with Google AI. Right, so here I will shift this, I will rescale this just to fit my stage right here. Okay, take it back. Just keep adjusting this till you get the best of what you need. Right, I think I'm okay with this. Okay, so now the next thing, we are done with the background selecting of character. So the next thing we need to do right here is uploading the the audio which we downloaded from TikTok. Okay, now with that, the AI will sync this to our test, right? So to do that, click on browse. You can see it right here. So I'll click on browse, then look for the audio which we downloaded from TikTok. This is it. Okay, so open. So we need to wait for this. This may take like few minutes. So let's wait for it. Okay, and here we go. So our video is 100% ready, right? So let's preview this.
Never knew how women argue. After 20 years of losing every significant battle in a relationship, I finally figured out how they argued.
All right. Okay, so this is super awesome, right? So you can see the lip syncing is top notch, right? Right now, you can see something is missing right here, although it is not 100% necessary. So you can see right here something is missing, which is the mic. Okay, something is missing, which is the mic, and that is not totally necessary. But we are gonna be doing that now. First, I'll download this video. So I'll click on download. Now you will see something like this. Just click on the cancel button, right, and try download it again, and this is it. Okay guys, so we are almost closer to the end of this video, and if you watch this video to this very moment and you are not a subscriber on this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Okay, all I will be doing on this channel is giving you tips on how to create content, okay, with ease, right? So consider subscribing to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, and smash the like button so that YouTube will know that this video is actually worth recommending. So to make this look more real, go over to your browser, search for green screen stage mic, go over to images. Now look for anyone that suits what you need, right? Look for any of this. So the next thing we need to do is to come over to Adobe Premiere Pro. It doesn't matter the software or apps you are using. You can actually do this on any of the software. You can do this on CapCut, InShot, and every other editing software or app you are using right there. So here I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. So what I need to do is to import the video which I downloaded, then drop it here on my timeline, right? And this is it. Then I will take the mic which I just download. This is it. Okay, then I'll add it right here and drag it to the end. Okay, if you're using CapCut, this is almost the same process right here. Now the next thing here is removing the green screen right here, the green background. So I'll go over to effect. Now come over to this icon right here, or to make it easier, is use shift and 7. Okay, now look for ultra key, right? Drag and drop, then come over to here, pick this key, then tap on the screen, and boom, that is it. The green screen is no longer there. So I'll just adjust this mic suit, okay, to make to look more perfect. So I'll drag it. Okay, so I think, okay, I'll take it closer to his mouth. Let's see how this looks like. Okay,
Never knew how women are.
all right, so this is it, super real. So you can always choose any mic of your choice, any software of your choice for this, and you are good to go. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found value in this video, guys, kindly subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can support me on this channel. Okay, and make sure you smash the like button so that YouTube algorithm will suggest this video to other people, right? So thank you, and see you in my next video.